Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix wired keyboard if it's not working in Windows 11. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, let's do hardware first. Then let's go ahead and go to our system settings. Okay. Now, in here, try to unplug, then plug it back in. Okay. Once that's done, go ahead and check if it helps. Now, if that will work, if you have a secondary keyboard, you're going to want to try them out. Okay, try the secondary keyboard if it works. Now, if it works, well, there might be a problem with your system. Okay, now another option is by resetting the keyboard itself. Okay, depending on your manufacturer, the keyboard reset button may vary, of course. For my specific keyboard right here, I have RK61. So to reset this, I'll need to press function right here and the space key simultaneously. All right. I'm going to show you right here. I'm going to hold it. As you can see, it's resetting. Just wait for it. And once done, go ahead and test your keyboard if it works now. Now, if that still will work, let's go ahead and go to our system settings. All right. In here, go to your start menu, right click on it and just click on settings. Okay. Once done, go ahead and find accessibility. Click on it. Now in here, you're going to want to look for keyboard. Okay, just scroll all the way down. Here you have keyboard, click on it. Now you have filter keys. In here, just click on the slider and try to turn it on. Now if that still will work, close this one. Go ahead and go to your search bar and type in device manager. Click on it. Now of course you won't be able to use your keyboard for typing device manager. So just go ahead and go to your search bar right here, right click on start menu. And in here, go and find your keyboards. Click on the drop down and now go ahead and find your specific keyboard. Okay. And just click on device manager. Okay. For example, this one, this is the default driver for our keyboard. So just right click on it and hit on update. Once done, click on browse. And in here, let me pick and then just go ahead and choose from one of these options. Okay. If this one doesn't work, try the other one. And once done, just hit on next, follow the simple prompts and you should be good to go. Now, if none of the workaround helps, well, you will have to either get your keyboard checked by a local technician, or if it's still under warranty, you might want to ship it back or purchase a new one. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.